Hi there, I'm Tom and I'm the founder of Agrix. I built an app to solve a problem I discovered a few years back when I bought a small farm and was handed a pretty big stack of paperwork I was required to keep for over 7 years. And when I was scanning it in to keep it safe, I was thinking, surely there's an app to manage and store all this. Turns out there isn't, so I built what I wanted to exist. UK farmers waste over 20 hours a month on compliance paperwork using homemade Word documents, with over 32,000 farmers currently going through and using these sorts of agreements. It's a pretty big problem. Agrix takes what I learned about bulletproof data systems when I was working as a product manager for systematic trading at Bloomberg, where one mistake can cost millions, and applies it to agricultural compliance. This is what happens, I think, when you apply the same standards to agricultural software as you do to financial infrastructure. So let me show you what I built to solve this problem and why it matters. So we're going to go into the demo mode, but you can see here from anywhere in the app, tap new evidence. It's clean, it's simple navigation. You select one of the schemes and the form opens with some smart defaults. See how lower field is already populated. That's based on the GPS location and learning from previous entries. Choosing an action, you get your SFI actions, and that's made very visual and obvious. The app knows exactly what schemes you're enrolled in because during setup we query the government database to pull in your exact agreement. You then fill in the rest of the data, and you can then pull in other pieces from your phone, so you can use the location services, attach images, files, and we've got a weather integration that's coming in the future as well. So submit, done, takes as little as 15 seconds, and that transforms something that usually takes a Word document being created into a mobile interaction that feels natural and can be done on the go. And here's what happens next. It's not just saved, but it's also organized. The app automatically categorizes everything, tracks progress, and keeps it all audit ready. So you need to find something from March, go to the logbook, and you can see everything from fields in certain fields, certain locations, different schemes. Everything that we stored is still here. But if an inspector shows up, you can generate a PDF report. You can go through, customize it, go through the whole process, say it's for the last 90 days. Particular schemes, select all, done. Generate the report, and then through the normal ways you can save it, and off we go. So save that one in there. But the bit that I'm most proud of is actually something that tells you what you still need to do. We meticulously track all the major actions so farmers can see a visual progress of where they stand. No more guessing if they're compliant, no more surprises when they're due inspections. Think of it as a compliance sort of control centre. The percentage is not just a score, it's a protection of the annual agreement that could be worth tens of thousands of pounds to a particular farmer. So each action shows where the individual is. It's color coded so they can't miss important deadlines. The system warns when the problem becomes when penalties are coming. It's predictive, not reactive. And what we're looking to add now is AI-enabled data labeling that looks at the photos and suggests various things, but also allows you to query it against the compliance criteria, reducing the risk of non-compliance upfront when you're submitting the evidence. SFI, which is the Sustainable Farming Initiative, is just the beginning. We're looking to build this out to cover more evidence collection requirements, more farm analytics, and supply chain integrations as well. So think about it in a way that our immediate roadmap, focusing on countryside stewardship, has similar requirements, but then going into our 3-year ambition, I guess, is to make Agrix the agricultural compliance system in the UK that's recommended by farmers to other farmers, endorsed by all the relevant agencies, and a leading voice in the Make Land Digital movement. The UK is our beachhead before we hopefully expand internationally, probably to North America due to language, but we need that track record in the UK first. I built Agrix because I lived the problem and I wanted to solve it.